This video is going to show you how to make easy beef noodle soup. First, you need 8 cups of beef broth, bag of egg noodles, salt, pepper, and parsley. First, we're going to bring the broth to a boil and then add the noodles. The broth is starting to come to a boil, so we're going to put our whole bag of noodles in. It is 12 ounces of egg noodles. I'm going to stir it so all the broth can get around all the noodles so they don't stick together. I have my temperature on high so we can boil these for 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt. You can use regular salt if you like. I'm just putting sea salt in. We're going to boil that with the noodles. Get all the flavors in there. You can add other spices if you like. I just like the basic ones so everybody can eat it. Because, you know, some people don't like garlic, some people don't like onion. So we just use salt and pepper and parsley, and gives it a nice, good flavor for our beef noodle soup. And just keep it at a boil and stir it every once in a while so it doesn't stick for 10 minutes. Our beef noodle soup has come to a nice rapid boil. That's what you want. I want that to do that for 10 minutes till all your noodles are nice and soft. Just stir it every now and then so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Our noodles have been boiling for 10 minutes, so they're done. You can eat them now like soup because of all the broth that's in it, or you can put a lid on them, wait about 20 minutes, and all the broth will soak into the noodles, and you can pour the noodles over mashed potatoes or just eat them plain. Depends on if you want to, eat it like soup or eat it like just beef noodles, where it has the flavor of beef and the liquid soaks into the noodles, so it's not so runny like soup, because these noodles really soak up that broth. So if you like soup, you can eat it. Go ahead and eat it right now. If you'd rather wait about 20 minutes, put the lid on, and you can just dump the noodles over top of mashed potatoes. It is great that way. I hope you like my easy beef noodles. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. This is how the noodles look after sitting with the lid on for 20 minutes. See how there's a lot less broth than there was before? Because the noodles really soak up that broth. That way you can put these right on top of mashed potatoes if you want, or you can still eat it like a soup. Just depends on how much broth you spoon out of it. I hope you like my recipe for easy beef noodles. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.